Hey, you buy beautiful, vibrant greens. But once they hit that heat, they fade, they darken, they lose that fresh, alive look. And suddenly, your dish doesn't feel as intentional as it could. If you ever wondered how restaurant vegetables stay bright, almost electric, it's not luck, it's technique. And today, you're learning one of the simplest ones chefs use every day: blanching. Here's how it works. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Salt it generously. It should taste like the sea. Right next to it, set a bowl filled with ice water. Hot, cold. The contrast is everything. Take your ingredient, today we're using kale, and drop it into the boiling water. Not for 5 minutes, not until it's soft and dull, 30 to 45 seconds at most. That's it. You're not fully cooking it, you're setting the color, softening the fibers, and taking the edge off the bitterness. Then, immediately transfer it into an ice bath. That instant chill stops the cooking in its tracks. Lift it out, squeeze it dry, and look at that green. Bright, clean, alive. Blanching preserves that vibrant chlorophyll color, while helping maintain nutrients like vitamin C and certain B vitamins that can degrade with prolonged heat. And now, your greens are ready. Ready to blend them into a hummus, ready to toss them into a pasta, ready to finish in a sauté pan without collapsing. You're in control now. Blanching isn't complicated. It's controlled heat, high temperature, short exposure, and immediate stop. That precision is what makes vegetables taste intentional instead of accidental. Next time your greens look dull or cook unevenly, blanch them first. Kale, green beans, broccoli, spinach, you'll see the difference immediately. You're not boiling vegetables, you're managing temperature, you're preserving color, you're protecting texture. That's what chefs do. And now, so do you. We'll see you in the next one.